Bwana Yesu asifiwe. I'm at my lowest point in my life. But before I talk about Marie, I have something to say. I would not be here standing strong if it were not for my support system. My family has seen a lot of deaths this year. And I'm so sorry to my mother, because in January, my sister lost her daughter who was 17. In June, we buried my brother. And last week on Sunday, we buried my father's brother. And today we are burying my daughter. But I want to give some gratitude too, because this is the only chance I have. And it has taken me a lot for me to stand here. For my family and friends from Nairobi, I do not take you for granted. You made sure my home was very warm despite me being at my weakest. I could just feel like screaming, but when I look at my mom, I'm trying to get some strength. And to Father, thank you so much, Baba. Thank you so much for your prayers and encouragement. My sister Judy, you have walked with me. Betty, thank you. You have walked with me. You gave me the courage to go and see Maria at the morgue because I had refused to go. Anna, thank you so much. And Emo, Liz, Jenny, Georgia, you guys are still family to me. Na msiniwachilie, mmenishikilia sana. Kama si nyinyi singekuwa nimesimama hapa. You've stood by me. Na msiniachilie. Black, thank you so much for giving me Marie. And thank you so much for encouraging me every single day. Because I am heartbroken. It is painful, a pain that I cannot even take Panadol for. And to my son, Ethan, you encouraged me, but I'm sorry, Baba, today I have to break down. All of you people, I am the family. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bila nyinyi singekuwa nimesimama hapa na hizi nguvu. Mnajua vile nimekuwa. Marafiki zangu wa Nairobi, sijui Kenya naweza wapatia. Na bado msimame. Marie was my only daughter. I was just a child when I gave birth to her. She was... If I start talking about my daughter, it would take a whole book. And I'm standing here strong because of my family and I am this family. And I spent the whole night with her outside. And I had a talk with her. But I don't know how I'm going to tell my daughter to rest in peace.
Baba, ninajua wewe unanipenda. Ninajua wewe oh Baba, ninajua wewe unanipenda. Ninajua wewe oh Baba, ninajua wewe unanipenda. Ninajua wewe.
They call her Chieng Nono. My Achieng Nono, my firstborn, may you find peace, Mama. May you find peace.
Baba, ninajua wewe unanipenda. Ninajua wewe oh Baba.
Thank you so much. Naomba at this point nimkaribishe baba wa Marie, Brother Black, tupate wimbo, na tena yeye pia aliomba kwa ishara ya heshima atakaposimama si sote tumsindikize kwa kusimama sote, na wimbo wote ambao utapeanwa tukaweze kuimba kwa pamoja. Wacha tupate wimbo tukimkaribisha Black.